If you're someone who just finished 12th and is about to join college, then this video is for you. When I was in your place, I researched about all the top colleges in India and I realized one thing: they're just boring. Most colleges take up all your time and teach basically nothing. Students are getting degrees without even learning anything or exploring any of their interests. That's when I found Polaris and I realized I was wrong. It was perfect and I joined it. I got the freedom to explore my interest and to dive into real-world tech with real-world professionals. It was an amazing combo and
this is more or less my case too, but with a big twist. I was clear about one thing. I wanted computer science. It's been my dream since childhood. But even after clearing the entrance exams, none of the traditional colleges felt right. Outdated curriculum, no flexibility, and a peer group that just didn't match my vibe. That's when I found Polaris School of Technology and realized I just didn't have to settle. Here I got focus, people, and the future I actually wanted. Direct guidance from CEOs, CTOs of top tech companies, internship in first year itself, and an excellent peer group. It has everything you need to become the best software engineer. Hello, I'm Anshuman. I'm currently in my first year of this tech school, and I have been diving deep into computer science, building projects, solving problems, and learning something new from day one.
Hello, I'm Priyanka Chauhan. I'm in my first year and I'm currently exploring my interest in marketing with a touch of tech. If you want to build the right career too, join Polaris School of Technology, India's best new age school. See you there.